I asked on my TikTok and Instagram which recipe you guys want to see, and one of the most popular responses was chiles rellenos. This is one of our family's favorite dish. You can make it with queso fresco, queso panela, any melting cheese, but today I'm going to show you how to make them with queso fresco. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm going to start off by roasting 6 poblano peppers. Just make sure to roast on all sides. Once ready, we're gonna take them out and put them in a plastic bag so they can sweat and it's way easier to peel. It's been a couple of minutes and now we're gonna start peeling them. And then we cut and remove all the seeds. Now we're gonna slice the cheese into longer strips and I'm using queso fresco. You can use the type of cheese of your choice, panela, melting cheese, whatever you like. We start adding the slices into the pepper just like this. And you can add as much as you like. I usually add 2 slices per chile, but it all depends on the size. And we continue doing the same for the rest. Once they're all stuffed, we're gonna sprinkle some flour on both sides. And this is just so that the egg sticks to the pepper. And now we start working on our salsa. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add 6 roma tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeño cut in half, 1/4 of a white onion. Here I have 1/2 teaspoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Last, we add 2 cups of water and we blend. Once it's ready, we start working on our egg batter. For that, I'm gonna be using 6 eggs at room temperature. We're gonna start off by separating the yolk from the egg whites, just like this, and it's usually 1 egg per pepper. To mix, I'm gonna be using my stand mixer, but you can always use a handheld mixer or do it by hand. We set it on high speed. It's ready. This is how your egg whites should look, nice and fluffy. For me, it took about 3 minutes, but it all depends on your mixer. We add in the egg yolks along with 1 teaspoon of flour and a pinch of salt. We continue mixing at high speed. It's been 2 minutes and it's now ready. I set my pan on low-medium heat with some oil. Oil is now hot. We're gonna start frying the chiles. We dip it into the batter, make sure it's fully coated, and we start frying. We're gonna do one by one. We're only gonna fry for about 30 seconds on each side, and we flip. This one is ready. I'm gonna take it out, and we continue doing the same for the rest. Make sure that it's fully coated. Flip it, but be very careful. Just like this. Now we start frying our salsa. I set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. We add the salsa, mix it around. This is the perfect time to see if you want to add more chicken bouillon or salt. I am gonna add about another teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it once more and wait for it to boil. After about 5 minutes, as you can see, it's now boiling and I'm gonna add the chiles. Once we add them, we lower the heat to low and let them simmer for a couple of minutes. They're now ready. I'm gonna serve myself, and this salsa is good for about 6 to 8 chiles. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth, my favorite part. Cheers! You know what? I used to love chiles rellenos with melting cheese, but ever since I started making them with queso fresco, I think I enjoy them even more. They're so good. So if you guys haven't tried them with queso fresco, I suggest you do. You can eat these just like this. They don't really need anything else, but you can eat them with some rice, some beans. They're so delicious. And there you have it, delicious chiles rellenos. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.